In this video I have the top 5 exercises for beginners, and at the end of this video you will play this song. For the first exercise we put the thumb on the C. This here is the C. And all the other fingers are on the white keys next to each other. Then we play these 5 notes like this. If you never played the piano before, this can be a huge challenge. For the first exercises, play these 5 notes up and down. Again, up and down. As long as you repeat this now over and over again, you will get better playing these notes, no matter how fast you do this. So pause the video now and repeat this 4 till 10 times. For the second exercise, we play the same notes but 2 less. We play the first note, we skip the second, we play the third note, we skip the fourth, and then we play the 5th note. Now we play these notes up and down. And this is the second exercise that you repeat this now 4 till 10 times. Okay, great. Let's go on with the third exercise. But before we do this, I recommend that you get my free ebook and my free piano course for beginners. These are full of exercises for beginners, and they will also help you with this video here. They are totally for free. All you need to do is click the link in the description, then you get to this page here, enter your name and email address, then you get to this page where you can get the free course and download the ebook. Do this now, I wait for 3 seconds, and then we go on with this lesson here. Okay, great. Let's go on with the third exercise. We play our first chord. For the first time, we will play multiple notes at once. And these are our 3 notes we played before. So what's important is that we really play all 3 notes at the same time. Not like this, or like this, but like this. So, our third exercise is that you repeat this chord now 4 till 10 times. But that's not all. After you played our chord 4 times, we bring the thumb 1 white key down. This is our second chord that you should also play 4 times. For the next step, our thumb goes even 1 more white key down, and that's hard, our pinky goes 1 white key up. Then we have the next chord, and for this we do not play the middle finger anymore, instead we play the note F with the ring finger. This is our 4th chord. And for the next step, you should play these 4 chords and play each chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb down, 2, 3, 4, thumb 1 more down and pinky up, 2, 3, 4, play ring finger instead of middle finger, 3, 4. Okay, let's go on with exercise number 4. We play these 3 notes of our first chord up and down. Then we play the notes of our second chord up and down. Then we play the 3 notes of our third chord up and down. Then we play the 3 notes of our 4th chord up and down. And when you now press the pedal, these notes sound like this. And when you play this a little faster, it sounds like this. Let's go on with exercise number 5. In the left hand, we play the note C with our left thumb. Then we play B, then A, and then with the pinky the F. Repeat this also 5 till 10 times. At the beginning of our first chord, we play both hands at the same time. Then the right hand plays the rest notes of the chord. For our second chord, we play both hands at the same time, and then the right hand plays the rest of the chord. For the third chord, we play both hands at the same time, and then the right hand goes on playing the rest notes of the chord. And for the fourth chord, we play both hands at the same time, and the right hand goes on plays alone the rest of the chords. For the next step, we play this also a little faster, and then it sounds like this. For the next exercise, you should click here to continue with the next video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.